Want to know a secret? Most bugs hide at the edges. Here is what I mean. Your app says password must be 8 to 12 characters long. Most people test with 10 characters. Why? Because 10 is safely in the middle, it's easy, it feels safe. But that's exactly where bugs don't hide. Here is what smart testers do. We test the boundaries. We test 7 characters just under the limit. We test 8 right at the minimum. We test 12 right at the maximum. And then we test 13 just over the limit. Why? Because that's where developers mess up. They write code that says 8 to 12, but accidentally allows 7 or blocks exactly 12. Bugs love boundaries. Take my dream achievement app, for example. The rule says users can add up to 10 goals. Most testers would add 5 goals and call it done. But I test 9 goals, then test, then try to add 11. And what happens? Does it block you? Does it crash? Does it let you add 11 but then break something else? The edge is where things get messy. That's boundary value analysis. It's a fancy name for a simple idea. Test the edges, not the middle. Test the limits where things break. This one trick finds more bugs in 5 minutes than random testing finds in an hour. Want to learn more testing tricks that make you faster and better? Join my Software Tester Mastery course. The link is on the screen. Let's turn you into the bug hunter every team